Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 286 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Bonnie Manizer from TheBalm, and this is a liquid highlighter and all over illuminator. And this retails for $14.50 and you can actually get it at Walgreens, at Walmart, which I was very surprised about. I've never tried anything from TheBalm, but I got this in my recent Ipsy bag. So if you want to see my Ipsy bag unbagging, I will link that down below. But this just sounds so neat and multifunctional. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips, you can definitely use it as a highlighter. You can mix it in with your foundation, your moisturizer, your primer to get that glow. So I love that you can use this pretty much anywhere. And I haven't tried a liquid highlighter out on my channel in a while. When I first started this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, trying out liquid illuminators was one of the most common products that I tried out, but now it's been so long, so I'm very excited to try out a new one. Oh wow, this is like a doe foot spatula shaped applicator, so that's nice. I just want to see how it swatches. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful bronzy gold. So I believe that this comes in other shades, but this Bonnie shade is more of that, yeah, like bronzy gold, probably more for deeper skin tones than what I am, but that's okay. I'm still gonna try this out. I'm gonna start out by applying it as a highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. Just looks like metallic, coppery. Wow. This looks so beautiful. I love the shine. That just reflects the light so beautifully. Go ahead with a tiny bit more. So easy to work with too. That's one thing I really love about liquid highlighters and liquid illuminators is that they look so smooth on the skin. I feel like they just like melt into the skin more and can really give more of like that natural dewy glow. Although this to me looks more of like a metallic sparkle than like a glow, so it is more impactful than just a dewy glow. I was really intrigued about applying it to my lips, so I applied just a clear gloss, but I just want to see how this could enhance my lip color. Oh, beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking up how beautifully sparkly shimmery this really is, and it disperses very evenly in the lip gloss, so I really do feel like this mixed with like any color of lipstick would look so cool. It does add that like unique gold bronze effect that would really change up a lip color in a very unique way. I could go overboard with trying this in so many different ways, so let's just go ahead and apply it a little bit to my eye. I just want to see. Oh my gosh. Now this is like the perfect little touch of sparkle and shine to the eye look. Like that is so subtle because I only applied a little bit, but it blends out so nicely, but it does just add that little extra oomph to the makeup look that looks so natural but does add that glow. I could totally see myself using this as like an everyday little enhancement to my eyelids when I'm not doing like a full eyeshadow look. And it's very comfortable on the eyelid and isn't creasing in any of the lines on my eyelid. So even though I do have very fair skin, I do find that this more bronzy gold shade still looks so nice everywhere that I applied it. And this does just dry down completely. It doesn't feel sticky or liquid anymore. It just feels like my skin. It feels soft, so I like that I don't have to worry about that. So I know that it's really gonna last and stay in place all day. Yay, so I'm very happy with this glowy highlighting illuminator. I love this glow that I have going on right now, and I can have so much fun with this, just basically applying it to my entire face. So I love a product like that. I'm definitely going to be trying out some other products from TheBalm since it does seem to be a pretty affordable and accessible brand. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite products are from TheBalm. So I'm having some great success with my Ipsy November glam bag products so far. So be sure to tune in tomorrow to see the last product that I'm going to be trying out from the bag. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.